My shopping buddies are not cooperating. Look, it's Christmas time already. I'm so excited. Oh, that one's pretty. Oh my God, I bet it's like $75 because these get more expensive every year. 60. They used to be like 35. 60 now. Oh, giant ornament. Like stuff like this that match the colors. These are so pretty. Oh, this is so cute. I love that. How cute. Even noticed this. This is so cool. This giant, it's very like it looks like the FAO Schwartz truck. So cute. This is so cute. What do you think? Oh, this is so cute. Look. That's adorable. How cute. Oh, I like that one. That's pretty. Look how cute this is. This is so cute. Oh, actually, I saw somebody post this on TikTok. And they were like, who buys this? Like, obviously somebody with a lot of space and money, honey. I'm about to come here for a photo shoot one day. Like, how cute would this be? In your front yard? Hey guys, I'm home from Homegoods. I didn't get a ton of stuff, but surprisingly, this was $200. Do you guys remember when Homegoods was cheap? I feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm like, what is happening? Like, Homegoods used to be $75 for a lot of stuff, and now $200, and I'm like, I don't even want to go back. Like, I haven't been in so long, and I was like, oh, you know, Christmas time is almost here. Like, I want to see what they have, and I'm like, yeah, I'm not going back for a while because it's just too expensive. But I did get some cute stuff. I got a lot of stuff for the dogs, so it's probably a chunk of it. I got them this really cute little reindeer toy. Not only is it like decor, but I know that they'll love playing with this, and it's just so cute. It'll look cute on the floor in front of the Christmas tree while they play with it, and it kind of like stands up on its own too. So it's like decor for me, toy for them. And then I also got this calming oil. I've tried this brand before and I really like it, and my dogs are a little crazy, especially Kello. He's just like over the top, and this has like melatonin and just a couple of things to keep them calm. So I'm gonna try it and see what happens. It was cheap too, 15 bucks. Not, well, that's not cheap, but it wasn't too bad. And then I got this little coat for Kal-El because Bruce has a really cute like plaid coat and Kal-El doesn't have one, so I thought this would be nice to match his brother's. And it has a little hoodie, and if it's too big on him, I can use it on Bruce anyway. So I got that for him. And then I got this little bone for them as well. So that's what I got for dog stuff. Then I ended up grabbing this for the bathroom. I normally do not do these like corny ornament shaped soap things, but I was like, you know what, this year I'm just gonna have fun with it. And since my theme this year is Cinderella and I'm gonna do like silver, gold, and a little bit of blue, I thought this would be so cute for the bathroom. And it's an ornament, so it's kind of classic. You could use this year after year. I could always spray paint it like a different color next year if I want to use it again. And it was only 10 bucks. I thought, how pretty would this be? And then to go in here, I grabbed this candy cane soap. This was only 5 bucks as well. So I was like, that's not bad because this will last the whole season. Really cute. And it smells really good. And the packaging is cute too if you wanted to use it in its regular packaging. It's really cute with the little gold on top, but I'm gonna put it in there. And then I'm a candy cane girl. Like, I love peppermint candies, so I grabbed 2 of these candy cane candles. Even though red is not my theme for this year, but Christmas, you always have to have red stuff. So I don't mind having a little something red. And I love the little top on this. Like, how cute is this? You could probably take this off and like use this for something else if you wanted to upcycle it. But it is a peppermint and vanilla candle. Super, super pretty. Love the shape of it, and it smells really good. And this was $12.99, which is cheaper than buying the Bath & Body Works peppermint ones, which are my favorites. So I grabbed 2 of those. Then I'm gonna do like a small hot cocoa station for this year. Usually I do like a big one, but I'm gonna keep it simple this year. So I grabbed these peppermint and marshmallow little hot cocoa stirs. I get these every year from HomeGoods and I really like them, so I just keep buying them. The marshmallows are pretty good. They taste like regular marshmallows. The chocolate is not like the best quality, but I use like higher quality hot cocoa. And then this is just like a little extra, and this was 10 bucks. I remember when these used to be like $5. Target has these too. And then to change it up this year, I let my husband pick one that he likes, and he went with the milk chocolate and caramel. And these are actually like hot chocolate sticks. So you put this in your milk and then stir it up, and it makes the hot chocolate for you. So we'll see. I haven't tried these before. This was $7.99. And I like that it has the caramel, so we will see. I'm gonna make like a mini little hot cocoa station in the kitchen this year. And then for the kitchen, I also grabbed this. Since I wasn't doing a traditional Christmas this year, like with the Santa and the red in the living room area, I figured for the kitchen, I'll go a little bit more traditional. So I'll probably put like the red candle in there. And then I grabbed this for the kitchen. I love, love, love the Santa. And I love that he's like a brown Santa, because you know we're brown and black in this house. So I love that for us. It says that it's a 2-in-1. So you can use these as a, you know, like you have like a terry cloth side and then you have like a decor side. And I just love the color too, because the greenish kind of matches the Cinderella vibe that I'm going to do in the living room. So it still has that color palette with the blue. So it still matches. And then it still has like the traditional Christmas. Because I think in the kitchen, I'm going to do more traditional and like do more red and warm Christmassy, since the living room is going to be very silver, gold, and blue. And then I was specifically going for like Cinderella-ish kind of items. And the only items that I found, which you can probably tell, which is what's left over, were these little picks that I grabbed. This was 10 bucks. And I just thought the little pumpkins would be really cute in the tree, because it's like that velvet, baby blue, silver, gray, blue kind of color. So even though this is like a fall item, I think once it's in the tree and it's like mixed in with other Cinderella items, it's really gonna bring that Cinderella vibe with the little pumpkins. And then I grabbed this because I think this also has a Christmassy vibe, even though again it has more of a Thanksgiving look with the pumpkins. I think the color, the fact that it's like this glittery silver with the blue pumpkins, I just think this is like super Cinderella-y. Like this on the table, all done up real cute with like Christmas items, I think is really gonna mix well with the Cinderella tree. So I just thought together with the little pumpkins, it just really vibes. And then with the little ornament, it's just all gonna come together well. And then I also grabbed this, which I saw this before I left and I thought, oh my God, this really looks kind of like a little castle. So I thought this would be so cute, like on the fireplace, or even like on the floor in front of the tree, to go with the whole like Disney princess vibe, because I have little white castle ornaments that I'm gonna put on the tree to give it that Cinderella castle look. And I thought this was so cute, and it actually lights up. It's a little paper house, but look, it lights up. Let me turn the light off to show you. Okay, so I turned off the living room light. I still have a light in the hallway, so you can kind of, it's still kind of bright, but just to give you a little idea of how it looks when it's lit up. Is that not the cutest? I just think it really looks like a little castle. So I thought that would be so cute to go with our Cinderella aesthetic with the white and silver. And then there's like a little Christmas tree in front here. And then I was thinking to maybe even glue one of these little pumpkins right here to just really bring in that Cinderella kind of vibe. I wish there was like another pillar here. I think that would be so, like a really tall one. I don't know, maybe I'll DIY something, but I just thought this would be so cute to bring in that like Disney castle element. Oh, and then I also found these right before we left. I thought these were so simple and cute. These little mugs with the rhinestone. It's like a gold tree with these emerald and green rhinestones to make a Christmas tree, and these were only $5.99. How cute are these? And they're glass, so I love that they'll keep our beverages warm. And that's all I'm gonna buy as far as like Christmas like silverware and flatware and glasses, because we have a lot of Christmas mugs and we still have other stuff in storage, so I'm not gonna go crazy this year. And then I also grabbed this candle, cinnamon cypress. I thought this would be really pretty since it's that white and gold aesthetic, and I can like use this glass when I'm done and make another candle and continue to use it. It smells really nice. It honestly smells like cinnamon. It's like vanilla and cinnamon, so it's a very like standard holiday scent. And that is it, guys. So not too much stuff. I was not trying to go crazy because I still have a lot of stuff in storage. So yeah, it's gonna be nice. We're gonna have a nice Christmas. I'm trying to be more smart about my money and trying to not spend money on frivolous items anymore, because it is hard out here, as we all know, and I am not rich by any means. I am struggling like everybody else, but I'm still trying to, you know, give myself a little leeway to have fun. So I'm just gonna use a lot of what I have in storage this year. So stay tuned. I will be doing Christmas decorating videos, and let me know in the comments what you're most excited to see. My Cinderella tree, my traditional Christmas kitchen. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you, stay glam. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, all that good stuff. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see as far as holiday stuff. Do you want to see holiday makeup? Do you want to see holiday home decor? Do you want to see holiday hair tutorials, holiday outfits? Let me know. Love you guys. Stay glam. Bye. If you're still here, I figured I'd show you what the coat looks like on Kello. It fits really well. He looks so cute. I love the colors. I think it's so chic and cute for this time of year, and it fits over his full body sweater, because when it's really cold, I like to make sure. Kello, you're showing your butthole to everyone. Please.